Zanu PF cell register chaos looms in Murehwa. By Newsday reporter, the 19th of August 2025, tensions are reportedly brewing within the ruling Zanu PF party in Mashonaland, East Province, amid allegations of attempts to reduce cell registers in Murehwa South constituency, despite the registration and verification exercise having been completed. According to insiders, a group of senior provincial officials recently convened a meeting at Waterloo where they announced plans to restart the process. This move has sparked outrage among other members, particularly within the District Coordinating Committee, DCC, who have since lodged formal protests with provincial leadership. One party official said the exercise had already been successfully carried out and submitted to headquarters. The cell registration and verification exercise went on well, and the cell registers have been sent to the party headquarters. Despite Murehwa South having the highest number of cells, we were shocked to note some members announcing that the process has to be redone. We are not aware of the motive, but the move is being resisted. Murehwa District recorded a total of 1,628 cells during the initial exercise, with Murehwa South leading at 598, followed by Murehwa North with 542, and Murehwa West at 488. Reports indicate that several district chairpersons have written letters to the provincial secretary for administration, Felix M. Hona, expressing concern over the alleged attempts to force re-registration. Efforts to obtain a comment from Zanu PF provincial spokesperson Tatenda Mavadara were unsuccessful at the time of publication.